I just measured for push rod length. I used a adjustable push rod. 7.3 is what would bring it to having the tip starting just a hair inboard from center. And so I'm going to order the 7.3, and hopefully it'll be a nice witness mark. 7.3 push rods. Usually on AFR heads, usually a 7.2 is a little too short. It brings the rocker tip to setting further inboard, so it just kind of makes a witness mark inboard. You usually need taller push rods with a aftermarket AFR head or trick flow head. Not always. So 7.3s are going to be ordered, and then I'll do witness when they come to validate it, make sure it's correct. This is a 7.2 in there is too short. A used 7.2, and I don't have any used 7.3s that I can double check that. Love this greaser. It doesn't shed and go into the rings area, and it's just lube's really good. Lube thread's good. This stuff, CMD.
Yeah.
Pressure lube number 3. Here. Yeah. This time it's gonna, I guarantee that there will be clearance. The bolt. All right, there, and a little bit to the clockwise. Okay. Clockwise. Go, go, go. Lots of clearance, lots of clearance. Okay, so we got that on. Now we want to see how deep our pan is. Heat it up and press it on, and leave. Okay, 8-inch, yeah. So this will work. And all right, so oven mitts, kind of.
Yeah. I think I got a brand new pair of them in my locker at work. I don't even use them.
What am I doing? Okay.
Look at it. Got tons of that stuff.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
All right, now let's see if our, okay, we're good. On the edges?
Mm-hmm.
Goes on pretty nice. The counterweight, it bumps. Nope, no bumping. What usually bumps is right over here, this counterweight. Right in this area.
Yeah.
Plastic so it doesn't smush in. We're doing this without a gasket. That's weird. Most of the time they do. Those are the ones that come in there. Yep. Those are the ones that come with. So, like that. So this is what we got. We have clearance. So half inch is good, like 3/8 to a half inch. Well, a little less than, and it's like 3/8 to a half inch.
Get the gaskets on there to be a half inch.
Yep, then it'd be a half inch for the gasket. So you don't want, it's better to have more, especially with a deep pan, better to have more clearance. I'll leave the pan off, it's just ready, it is guaranteed to fit. You get the nice pickup, the nice pump, torqued on. This is Carl and Tim, L1 Engines, take care.